Alright, y'all, I've been away for a while. Ain't been able to catch up on the news, but I tell you what, August has been a crazy month for railroad news. Let me give you some highlights. First off, it was announced that the big boy was going to be coming through central Illinois in the first parts of September. We'll get more on that in the next video. And also was announced that same day that the Triple Crown Roadrailers were going to go away. So me and thousands of other rail fans across the country gathered in central Illinois to get the last Roadrailers and see the newest replacement of the Roadrailers. And other news as well. There's a bunch of train shows going on. Nothing too local, but you know, there's always train shows, seems like, popping up out of nowhere. And another cool catch was a ballast train that was running on the CN the last few weeks. And it had two IC SD40-3 rebuilds, but they're both in CN paint, but it's still good to see just a pair of IC SD40s doing some work around here. Alright, that's about all we got for today. And I hope you stay tuned. Have a great day, y'all.